Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to talk about a few IELTS speaking topics. یہ اسپیکنگ ٹاپکس آپ کے لیے بہت زیادہ مفید ہوں گے آئٹس کی اسپیکنگ کے حوالے سے. آپ کی آئٹس کے حوالے سے آپ کی انگلش کی جنرل وکیبلری وہ بھی بڑھے گی. آئٹ اسپیکنگ پارٹ 3 جو ڈسکشن کوسچنز ہوتے ہیں یا آئٹس کا ڈسکشن پارٹ ہوتا ہے اس کے حوالے سے بھی آپ کے لیے ہیلپ فل رہے گا. So let us begin it. How often do you like to hang out with friends? I mostly like to hang out with my friends on weekend, as during the weekdays I remain much busy with my office job. So it's only the weekend when I am free. And also my friends are also free on weekend as they also doing different kind of jobs. Some of them are running their own businesses. So that is why I mostly hang out with my friends on weekend. Who do you usually like to hang out with? As I already told you, I mostly like to hang out with my friends because I love their company, and during the weekdays hectic routine I really get tired both mentally and physically. So on the weekend when I hang out with my friends I really feel much relaxed. Where do you like to go out? Yeah, where do you like to go when you hang out with your friends? I mostly like to visit the hilly areas, to the some natural resorts, and also sometimes to some parks because these places really help us a lot to chill out. Do you like to go out with a big group or just few friends? I don't like to go out with big group of friends. I don't like much noise. I don't like the mob of people to be with me, okay? So mostly I like to go out or hang out with a few friends. And I think when I go out with a few friends, I enjoy a lot. تو یہ ٹاپک تھا کہ دوستوں کے ساتھ جو ہمارا مٹر گشت کرنا ہے گھومنا پھرنا ہے اس کے حوالے سے کوشچنس تھے. تو لیٹ us گو ٹو our نیکسٹ ٹاپک. Our next topic is social network. Social network means our social networking websites and the questions related to social network. What kinds of social networking websites do you like to use? تو سوشل نیٹ ورک کے حوالے سے آپ جانتے ہیں یا سوشل نیٹ ورکنگ ویب سائٹس کے حوالے سے جیسے فیس بک ہو گیا، ٹویٹر ہو گیا، ٹھیک ہے، لنکڈ ان ہو گیا، یوٹیوب ہو گیا وغیرہ وغیرہ. What kinds of social networking website do you like to use? I mostly like to use Facebook as I have added so many of my friends on Facebook. It helps me get connected with my dear and near ones. It also let me know the recent happenings in my adjacent areas, in my vicinity, میرے کرب و جوار کے اندر, and also I come to know of the events taking place in my town, in my country, even the events taking place at the international level. Are you a social person? Yes, I am a social person. I like the company of other people. I attend the parties managed or arranged by the community. What kinds of people do you like to make friends with on those websites? Of course, I like to make friends with the people who are of my nature, who I know well, and especially those who are learned one. As I am a teacher, so most part of my life is spent in teaching and reading different kind of things. So I love to make friends with the educated people on these social websites. Is it good to find real friends on social network? Yes, it is good to find real friends on network websites, but you have to be a bit careful. You should only make friends with those people who you know very well, because we know that there are so many fraudulent cases we frequently come across, where we know that people really hoodwink or deluded the innocent people on these social networking websites. यानी किस तरीके से वो लोगों को डिल्यूड करते हैं, उन्हें सब्ज बाग दिखाते हैं, एंड लेटर ऑन दे डबल क्रॉस देम, उनके साथ जिस तरीके से धोखा करते हैं. Okay, so you have to be very careful now to find real friends on social networks or social networking websites. Though it is not quite impossible, it is quite possible to find real friends on these social websites. चलें अभी हम इससे अगले टॉपिक की तरफ चलते हैं. Our next topic is teamwork. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि टीम वर्क से मुराद है कि जब आप कोई काम इकट्ठे करते हैं विद ए ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, तो उसको कहते हैं टीम वर्क. व्हेन वाज योर लास्ट टाइम यू वर्क विद अ टीम? आई डोंट रिमेंबर दाउ व्हेन वाज द लास्ट टाइम आई वर्क विद अ टीम, बट आई थिंक व्हेन आई वाज इन माय स्कूल I worked with a team, and our teacher asked us to uh, clean the school. Okay, as there was much garbage scattered there, so uh, our our teacher assigned a group of students a duty to clean the school, especially after the summer vacation, when the school was opened. So I think it was that time when I worked with a team. Do you like to work or study with others or just by yourself? I like to study with others, because when you study alone, sometimes you may find it difficult to know the different kind of terminology used there, maybe the point of view of the author, maybe the point of view of the writer. So I think when I study with group of students, group of my colleagues, I think they really help me a lot. They really help me clarify my learning. And also I think this really helps us to interact with each other, and this interaction, especially in case of learning, really boost of our learning, our awareness, our knowledge. What is the most important thing for teamwork? क्वेश्चन है जी कि टीम वर्क के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा अहम चीज़ कौन सी है? आई वुड से दैट कोऑपरेशन, dedication, honesty. I think these things are most important things for the teamwork, especially the dedication. If the all members of a team are dedicated, and of course if they are honest with their efforts, and also above all if they are cooperative with one another, I think this really helps them to succeed their task, to fulfill their task very soon, and also in a very meaningful way. Do you like to be a leader? I don't want to be a leader, because I don't think so that I have those qualities. But I think it is very good to be a leader. When you lead the others, you lead them from the front. You know what are the problems of your followers. So I think it is very good to be a leader though. But I don't think so that I, I like to be a leader. Okay, students, so okay. Our next topic is being alone, तन्हा रहना, तन्हाई में वक्त गुजारना. तो जब इस टॉपिक के बारे में मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ, یا میرے سامنے بھی آیا ہے، تو مجھے ارسٹوٹل کی وہ بات یاد آ گئی ہے. تو اس نے کہا تھا کہ ہو سو ایور از ہیپی ان سالیٹیوڈ از ایدر اے بیسٹ اور این اینجل. کہ تنہائی میں دو چیزیں خوش رہ سکتی ہیں، یا تو کوئی فرشتہ ہو، ٹھیک ہے، اللہ کا کوئی ولی ہو، یا پھر کوئی درندہ ہی ہے جو کہ تنہائی کے اندر. لیکن انسانوں کے اندر بھی ہم دیکھتے ہیں کہ بہت سارے لوگ ہیں جنہیں اکیلے وقت گزارنا اچھا لگتا ہے. تو اس کا مطلب یہ نہیں ہے کہ وہ دے آر بیس، آئی شوڈنٹ کال دیم بیس. اوکے، تو سو ڈو یو لائک ٹو بی alone? Yes, sometimes I like to be alone. I think when as my job really demands me to be busy with my work, to be busy with my students, to be busy with the people who visit my office. So I really love to be alone for some time. I do catharsis. I contemplate I contemplate the purpose of my being here. I think where I have been right, where I have been wrong. So I think it is very good to be alone, maybe for some time. What do you like to do when you are alone? As I already told you, whenever I am alone, I keep quiet, I close my eyes, and I start contemplating. And I think, I judge, I think why I am here, what is the purpose of my being here, and how far I have fulfilled those duties which are assigned to me by God and also by other people who are dependent on me. Do you like to spend time with your friends or just stay at home on your own? I like to spend time with my friends, especially on weekend. As I already told you in a question, in an answer to a question, that during my weekdays I remain much busy with my daily routine. So on the weekend, I really like to spend my quality time with my friends. When was the last time you were being alone? I think it was just last evening I was alone. So I really contemplated on different kind of things. I really thought how far I have been successful, how far I have performed my duties, and so forth and so forth. تو یہ کچھ ٹاپکس تھے جو میں نے ضروری سمجھا کہ آج آپ لوگوں کے ساتھ شیئر کر سکوں. باقی آپ لوگوں کے حوالے سے جو مجھے فیڈ بیک ملے گا، ٹھیک ہے، میں اسے ویلکم کروں گا. تو جو میری ایون مسٹیکس ہیں انہیں کوئی ہائی لائٹ کرے گا، میں اسے اپریشیٹ کروں گا، کیونکہ میں اپنے آپ کو انگلش لینگویج کا ایک طالب علم سمجھتا ہوں. ٹھیک ہے، وہ لرننگ کبھی ختم نہیں ہوتی. جو یہ دعویٰ کرتے ہیں کہ دے ہیو لرنڈ انف، آئی سے دیٹ دے آر رانگ. تو باقی ہم کوشش کریں گے، میں بھی کوشش کروں گا کہ اس کو زیادہ سے زیادہ بہتر کروں اور آپ کے لیے ایسی ویڈیوز لے کے آؤں جو آپ کے لیے آپ کی لرننگ کے حوالے سے زیادہ مفید ہو. تو اپنا خیال رکھیے گا. تو پھر آخر میں آپ سے ریکویسٹ ہے کہ میرے چینل کو لائک اور سبسکرائب کریں، ٹھیک ہے، اور اسے شیئر بھی کریں، اور اس کا جو بیل آئیکن ہے یوٹیوب پہ، میرے یوٹیوب چینل پہ، اس کو بھی کلک کریں. اس سے یہ ہوگا کہ جو میری نئی ویڈیوز آئیں گی ان کے بارے میں یو ول بی نوٹیفائڈ، تو آپ کو پتہ چل جائے گا. تو اپنا خیال رکھیے گا. السلام علیکم، اللہ حافظ.